Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 12th, Monday morning, and we've got the USDA report out at 11 o'clock this morning, so markets are very quiet. We've got corn, wheat steady to a little weaker. Soybeans are up anywhere from 8 to 10 cents as we speak, and a lot of that is because of the strong cash market that we see in soybeans and the availability of cash soybeans that's helping drive that market. But the trade's looking for some increase in corn production, up near 14 billion bushel in the corn. That'd be up about 30 million bushel from last month, or the July USDA number. Soybean average production, total production estimate is 33.38, which is down about 82 million acres from, or 82 million bushel from the July number. Wheat expected to be about the same. Trade's looking for adjustments in soybeans in the acreage and in the yield. So we'll see what USDA gives us here at 11 o'clock. The Dalian exchange is providing some support for the soybeans as well. They were up anywhere from 6 to 7 cents. Meal stronger in China as well this morning. There's also rumors that a couple cargoes of soybeans were sold to China. Not really a surprise that there'd be announcement of more sales on a day of a report, but we'll see how that comes out here later on today, and watch this 8 o'clock time frame when USDA usually announces export sales. Crop conditions report this afternoon, expecting unchanged. Some are looking for a little bit higher, some a little lower, so still a very strong conditions number around this 64% that we had last week. That looks very good compared to a year ago. The CFTC report on Friday showed that funds reduced a little bit of increased their short positions in corn, but they were big sellers of soybeans last week on a net basis, reducing their long positions there by 31,000 contracts. So getting closer to the even number in soybeans, and they're carrying large short positions in corn and wheat as of last Tuesday. Weather forecast, there was some good rains in western Iowa and southern Minnesota over the weekend. The forecast for the 6 to 10 day period looks drier than it was on Friday, and with temperatures to warm up some. So you can look at that as a double-edged sword there. If things dry up, it might be supportive. On the other hand, if we warm up, crops will mature rapidly, and those areas that have got moisture should see better crops because of the maturing process. So watching that closely as we go forward. The Japan GDP was announced overnight, not quite as strong as what trade thought, putting some and giving some strength to the dollar here this morning. In the livestock trade, cattle deliveries, we have a total thus far against the August contract of 160 deliveries. 140 of them have been retendered, which suggests, and most of that is in the South, where the cash markets are weaker, or the weakest, compared to the futures prices. The CME feeder index was up 50 cents on Friday to 150.24. Cutout values were a little stronger, 68 cents higher in choice, only 5 cents lower in the select. It is giving some indication that we are moving some product here. Would expect that packers will be looking for some cattle this week as they have a full work week, and should be And if we can see some further improvement in product, they'll even be more excited about buying cattle. Pork cutout values there were up $1.13 on Friday. Cash hogs, however, were weaker, and we're going into a time period here where we expect that hog supply should increase and therefore put some pressure on cash markets. So we're watching that very closely as we go through the week as well. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll keep you informed. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.